Welcome to our production site, and thank you for joining us today. In this video, we are introducing our fully automatic PCB component dismantling machine, a professional solution designed to separate electronic components from waste circuit boards efficiently and safely. The core technology of this system is controlled natural gas heating. By using stable and uniform natural gas heating, the solder on the PCB is precisely melted, allowing components to detach smoothly without excessive mechanical force. This method ensures clean separation, protects the material value of components, and maintains consistent operational performance. Different electronic components contain different types of metals. Some parts are rich in precious metals such as gold and silver, while others may contain hazardous substances that require proper handling. By dismantling the components before crushing, recyclers can classify materials more accurately, improve precious metal recovery rates, and reduce environmental risks at the source. Components such as heat sinks and other metal-bearing parts can be collected separately, making precious metal extraction more efficient and significantly increasing their resale value. Once the components are removed, the remaining motherboard becomes much easier to crush and process. This greatly reduces the burden on the crushing and separation stages, improves copper recovery efficiency, and enhances the overall performance of the recycling line. By optimizing the process at the front end, the entire operation becomes more efficient, more cost-effective, and more profitable. To ensure environmental protection during operation, the machine is equipped with an activated carbon purification box that effectively absorbs smoke, dust, and flying ash generated during the heating and dismantling process, preventing secondary pollution and maintaining a cleaner working environment.